Sleeping on your back, it's a great option, and because your sleep is less restless, you're also going to likely sleep up in the morning with less aches and pains. Most of us, after a hard day, we kind of think about getting into bed and curling up and rolling over on our side in that fetal position. Unfortunately, it's not the best position for sleep, and there are several reasons for that. Number one, lying on your side forces your face into your pillow, and that constant pressure throughout the night on your skin can actually cause your skin to age prematurely and cause wrinkles. Being on your back just because of wrinkles is a good idea. But in addition to that, there's several other health benefits from staying on your back. When you're on your back, and especially if you incline your back slightly, you'll reduce the incidence of reflux. Certainly that's a good thing. But in addition to that, when you're on your back, gravity helps to bring the diaphragms down. That opens up your rib cage. That allows you to take a nice deep breath at night and improves your oxygenation while you're sleeping. So staying on your back not only can help with acid reflux, with your breathing, but it can also help stabilize your sleep so it's not as restless. When your sleep's not as restless, that will reduce the inflammatory substances that are released. And as we all know, inflammatory substances and inflammation will injure micro blood vessels. That certainly adds to aging and decreases your longevity. So sleeping on your back, it's a great option, and because your sleep is less restless, you're also going to likely sleep up in the morning with less aches and pains. So get yourself a pillow, put it under your knees. That'll help keep you on your back and stop you from tossing and turning. And get a simple wedge pillow to elevate your back so you don't have to deal with that acid reflux and you can take nice deep breaths at night.